about to wrap. Last scene of the day, and we're about to. Okay, so I have a Mediterranean chicken wrap for breakfast today. Yeah. There was way too much feta. I couldn't eat it all. I just had a meeting. It went well. It's 3:40 right now. I'm gonna go run with makeup on my face. I'm gonna go do a 4-mile run and then figure out food after that. Okay, lots of emails, lots of stuff today. I didn't even show you guys that I had a matcha today. I had a matcha and then ordered a croissant, and then my croissant didn't even come. So I'm very upset because I didn't get my croissant. Okay, I gotta go. You know what? I'm gonna practice doing what I feel. And how I feel is I'm not ready for a run. I'm gonna do another hour and something walk. Why? Because I got my period yesterday and I feel lethargic. I'm tired. I don't want to do it. So I'm not going to do it. Okay? I'm not doing it. I'm not running just because I said I was going to run. I'm going to do some form of workout. The last thing I want to do is run 4 miles. Maybe I'll start walking, then I'll run. But I'm not holding myself to it. It's 4:14. And all I want is an omelet. But then I also have to cook today, y'all. Like, I need to bring food tomorrow because I cannot spend my money. The only thing I can afford is a matcha. Maybe that's what I gotta stop doing, is forcing myself to do things that I don't want to do, but like supplement it with so, okay, like I don't want to run 4 miles, but you know, I will walk for an hour and a half. Maybe I'll run just so it finishes early. But you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm gonna hate editing this. Me editing myself talking sucks because you know what? I have ADHD and I don't ever finish a sentence. I'm a good girl who eats healthy. Okay, goodbye. I've decided I'm taking a rest. Yeah, I've decided I'm taking a rest. That's what I'm gonna do. And tomorrow I'll run and lift. So that's what that's gonna be. I'm sorry. I'm tired, guys. I'm really tired. I'm like exhausted. I don't like this many activities before working out. And that may sound like an excuse because it is. I'm just being so for real. I don't feel like running or walking. I just want to lay here and cry. So that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah. I filmed a show last year and I watched the whole season today and they've cut my scene. That's okay. I got paid. But dang, y'all, that really hurt. And then, like, ridiculous to say, right? Ridiculous to say, like, completely narcissistic to say this, what I'm about to say right now, which is an actual thought that I had. What if I was so bad that they cut the scene? It's so narcissistic. Like I am a narcissist to think that they would see my performance at all and say that it mattered. Okay. You know what I'm saying? Like, it was like 2 or 3 lines, but my actor brain is saying, maybe I was so bad that they cut it. I still got the credit. Who did you play? I gotta go. I'm gonna make some popcorn and watch some reality TV in the dark. Yeah. Savior. So, cayenne, cinnamon,
so what's the difference between putting a ring on it,
creamy almond butter.
and like waiting another 2 years?
I feel like patience is good though. Like watching y'all from the outside in, y'all are in a good space, and it's cool to see y'all like just enjoy that. I think you said that you like we are if it ain't broke, don't fix it.
Yeah. And another one. Oh. Okay, so I meal prepped my food for tomorrow. I think I'm just gonna get like a small little bowl of ground turkey for tonight. And then I'm kind of done eating, to be honest. I'm kind of tired, and then I'm gonna go to bed. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow with another video.